If you want to clone apps on the Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then what you can do is, first of all, we can go to Settings. Then over here in the Settings, we're gonna go to Apps. And then in App Settings, we should be able to find Cloned Apps option. And then here you should be able to clone some apps. Unfortunately, we cannot duplicate every app that we have on our phone. This is a huge drawback of this feature, and only some apps are supported. But there is a certain alternative that we can use in order to be able to clone pretty much any app you want to. So what we can do is we can set up the secure folder. In the settings, we should be able to keep scrolling down, and we need to go to security and privacy. Then over here, we need to go to more security and privacy at the bottom, and then we need to find the secure folder option. Now over here, we're gonna tap on this arrow. We're just gonna skip through that, and you will have the option to log into a Google account, which you can do if you want to have access to the Play Store inside the secure folder. You can also skip the login if you don't need that. Now, the reason why I'm saying about the Play Store inside the secure folder is because the secure folder has its own Play Store. I mean, the Play Store still is exactly the same, but whatever you install using that Play Store inside that secure folder, it is installed only in the secure folder, which allows us to technically install the same app once again, although it is not entirely necessary to use the Play Store inside the secure folder because we can simply choose an app that we already have installed and pretty much clone it and install it in the secure folder again. So for the secure folder, we need to choose a password. I'm just going to set up an example pattern over here. We need to enter our password twice in order to continue. And there we go. You can also set up the fingerprint unlock if you want to, but in my case, I'm just gonna skip. Now, the secure folder can be found here in the app drawer, so you can easily spot it over here. And if you want to now duplicate an app, then you can use this plus button in the bottom right corner and then choose Add Apps. And then you will see apps that you already have installed. So if you already have the app that you want to clone, then you should be able to select it over here and then tap on this check in the bottom right corner, and then the selected app is going to be added. And this app is pretty much like a fresh installation of that app. So even though I have exactly the same app over here on my phone, the one that I have in the secure folder is completely separated. You might also see this information that duplicate app was found, but of course you can just ignore that. And even you can select that you don't want to see this message again. So in here now I have Instagram that is completely separated from the Instagram app that I have outside of it. It contains different data, so I can just sign into a different account. I can use different stuff inside that app, and it won't collide with the app that I have outside of the secure folder. And this is exactly how we can clone apps. Now, unfortunately, we cannot add any shortcut to the home screen, for example. To have quicker access to this app over here, you have to open the secure folder in order to open the app that we have in here. But of course, still, at least we have the option to pretty much install the same app once again and, and set it up in a, I guess, different way and contain different data. And one thing that I'm going to show you is that, of course, we can combine both of these features in case you want to have two duplicated apps. That is not a problem. For example, over here, I have the WhatsApp, the original app that I installed, and then I have the duplicated WhatsApp, which I used, or which I created by using the Clone Apps feature in the app settings. And if I want to, I can also go to the Play Store, to the secure folder, and I can once again add WhatsApp over here, and then I will have the third WhatsApp over here. So there we go, we can just keep going. But of course, the Clone Apps feature, like I said previously, is very limited. Here in the upper right corner, we have the Play Store for the secure folder, and as you can see, it looks exactly the same. We can install whatever we want to, and you should be able to have it in here as well. So this is how we can use the secure folder in order to clone apps on this phone. Leave a like and subscribe.